How's it going, everyone? This is an unboxing video of the Dewalt DCS570B. This is the circular saw that's a 7 1/4 inch, and this one is without the battery for it. So we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what's inside of it. So let's go ahead and do so. So first thing we get obviously is our instructions. So if you want to go ahead and read through those, you can, but we're going to get to the actual saw itself. So we can see it's nicely packaged in there with this box, and we're going to go ahead and just grab it out just like that. And we'll put the saw aside for a second because right at the bottom right there, we do have our blade. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. So first things first, here is the blade itself. It's a 24 tooth blade, which is not too bad, but it's not the best blade that you get in the package. So I would recommend upgrading to one of these 60 tooth blades. These ones are a lot better. They're not that much more expensive. So that's one that I did get with my saw separately. And there it is. So let's go ahead and have a look at the saw itself. So very, very nice. So it is obviously heavy. It is the 20 volt max. So it does work with any of your 20 volt max batteries right there. And we'll just have a quick look around. There's where your battery goes for it. And there we have our nice brake system and all of that right there as well. So super, super nice saw. I'm sure you've done more research on it. This is just your unboxing of it right here. We can adjust it fully with that lever right there as well. So, and there we go. Hopefully this unboxing video helped with your decision on this purchase.